This is made in Frederick County, Maryland. Welcome to Wilcoxon Sensing Technology, the leader in vibrational sensors. We manufacture and engineer vibrational sensors for predictive maintenance. This is the logistics department. This is where everything begins. The raw material comes in, it gets inspected, it moves out to production floor, it gets engineered, built, it comes right back to us as a finished product, and it gets delivered and distributed to our customers all over the world.
These little tiny crystals generate electric charge when they're subjected to a change in the temperature or tiny little vibration changes. Our PC boards on top of them then pick up those changes in the charge that the crystal is generating and transmit it to another device that can tell you then that the bearings are going bad or the temperature is getting too hot in an area. So just this little tiny crystal is kind of the key to the sensors here.
What I have here is one of our accelerometers with a magnetic mount and an integral cable. To use the sensor with this handheld vibration meter, you first mount it on the machine, any typical motor, pump, or fan, and then you take a reading. And as you can see here, you get the green is good result, which means that it is within an acceptable range of vibration. If that amplitude is higher, you'll see a yellow or a red background here, which means that you need to analyze the machine to determine the fault. Imagine that this motor was attached to a fan in an indoor skydiving facility. You would want to know about any machine failures that are beginning to occur before they cause a catastrophic failure. That's what we mean when we say predictive sensing.
It is not easy to make these sensors. Putting the tiny crystals inside a mask, dispensing solder, using the flux and the solder, it's all very tiny precision work. It may just look like you're putting them together, but every time they test them, the shop people are making small adjustments to the sensitivity of it, how it reads, what data it outputs, depending on what the customer wants. So that precision is critical to the final product. I also think it's pretty neat that we do the injection molding right here in Frederick. That's very, I think, unique to our area.
We have a wide variety of the needed skills in our products. Everything from electromechanical assembly to electronic test equipment, solder skills, welding skills, computer skills are highly encouraged.
You don't have to have an engineering degree to work here. You can have, even CTC training if you're interested in electrical work. Our testers are very knowledgeable on understanding the data that comes out of the machine, so you can work in that department. Our cable makers and our injection molders are actually trained here on site.
We encourage employees to develop here. Several of our assemblers have actually been promoted to supervisors, team leaders, and there is no limit to their ability to advance. It's a fun place to work.
What I love about working here is the collaboration of the company. They allow me to bring my experience and my knowledge to the plant.
We're making these tiny sensors to use on the top of windmills or to use on trains or to use underwater.
We have a lot of sensors which go into the mining industry. Energy, wind turbines, they're used all over the world.
And it's something that's done in Frederick.
Hope you enjoy learning about vibrational sensors today and how this wonderful team here at Wilcoxon of engineers, marketing, sales, assemblers, and logistics personnel puts this product together and delivers it to our customers.